there, this is Alex. I am here with what I believe to be a WS lock, which is from Germany. I have no idea how old it is. It's a little rusty, a little kind of funky looking, so could be old, could be just abused. Well, it's going to be abused in short order here, but I'm not doing that. I'm going to use the bottom of the keyway here. So it's just going to get my way. I don't have enough room. Now, the Zeiss Econ succumbed, which looked very similar, but the keyway was the other way around. It succumbed very quickly to what you might call raking. This thing is crunchy as all hell. Wow. Ha! Well, apparently even the non-Zeiss Econ cabinet Schussel, Schussel? No, Schussel is key. Cabinet Schleiss? Schleiss? Is there Schleiss? Schleiss? Schleiss. Adrian is laughing at me. Anyway, cabinet lock, or drawer lock, anyhow. There it is with a key. Raked. Let's see. We're at 1 minute and 30 seconds. Why don't we try picking it too? Given that that was kind of underwhelming. At least for me. I don't know about the rest of y'all, but let me give it another go here. See if we can embarrass its manufacturer further. There it is. Picked. SPP. So we've got that. What else could we do to it? Because I'm not done brutalizing it yet at this point, because we're only at 2 minutes, and my videos always have to go at least 12 minutes. So we could, ooh, I don't know. We could bitch pick it. Should we bitch pick it? What do you think? Bitch pick it? Bitch picked! Open. Mein Gott. It's open. Wow, bitch picked in record time. What else can we do? Oh, a rock. I wonder if a rocking attack will work. Bill's in Africa, so I have to make up for him not being here and, you know, do some of the lock lab techniques while he's not here. So the rock is kind of like this. You just kind of rock your pick back and forth. It's, I don't know if it's a backwards picking. Wow, look at that. Open. Whew. Don't make them like they used to, do they, Adrian? Whew. You know what would help? Maybe the lock will work better. And I'm gonna cover the lens slightly because of the WD-40 spray.
Ooh, look
okay.
At that cloud.
Ooh, look at that cloud of vapor.
Keep that off the lens.
Keep that off the lens. Yeah. So we'll give that a little bit. Maybe with a little less stickiness in there, Adrian, it'll work better. So, okay, let's try that. What have we not tried yet? We've raked it. We've SPP'd it. We've bitch picked it. We've rocked it. I haven't tried a spoon, but I don't think that's going to work on this one. But I was thinking about it.
Windshield wiper blade. Now, well, I don't know. That's a good call. My wife is actually useful for something occasionally. Let's see. I don't know if I have such a right size to be helpful, but this might work. Let's see. No, it's actually. Can I put the lid back on the pot? I don't know. Let's see. No, this is just silly.
That was a good call, though. I like that idea. Ooh, how about a snake rake? I have never opened a lock with this thing. Let's see if this will be the first. This is one of the... Oh, my goodness. Wow. Except I went the wrong way because it's open, but, you know, I guess we have to go this way now. Jeez. WD-40. See, I inhaled too much WD-40. That's what that stuff is toxic. You gotta watch out for it. Let's see. Oh, there we go. There we go. Open with the snake rake. So, the conclusion, gentlemen, is that WD-40 definitely improves the lock, and that B, at some time in, I'm going to guess, the 90s, maybe the early 80s, Master Lock was selling locks in Germany under the name WS, right? I don't know what that translates into in German, but I think that's a Master Lock in there. And with that bombshell, thank you for watching. Have fun. Please keep it legal. Cheers.